In this video, I'm going to show you dash cam footage of a crash that occurred when a semi-truck crashed into our client while the semi-truck was making a very dangerous lane change. In this case, our client sustained a mild traumatic brain injury. We took the case all the way through court to trial, and a federal jury awarded our client $3.5 million. Anytime a tractor trailer is changing lanes, other motorists are in danger. You can get an understanding of some of the reasons why if you watch my video about how truck crash cases are different than car crash cases. And one of the main reasons, of course, is because tractor trailers are huge, but the massive size creates a number of blind spots. So here's an image with the blind spots on a tractor trailer. Now this brings us to our case. And as you can see from the way this video is set up, this is a dash cam that is taken from the truck that causes the crash. And you can see that the truck is in the left lane, and the truck is driving down a two-lane highway. There's two lanes headed in the opposite direction, separated by a grassy median. So we know that that is basically a very dangerous position for a truck to be moving from the left lane into the right lane. Another fact to note about this video is that you can see that the road on the right to the truck is actually illuminated. And so that right-hand lane is all lit up, which should have provided plenty of knowledge and information that there was a car in that lane. So let's watch what happened next.
Recession-resistant industry. MyFinanceBusiness.com. Go now. MyFinanceBusiness.com.
As you can see from this video, when the truck merged into the car's back end was pushed out, which caused the car to be perpendicular to the truck. So our client was in the car, it was pushed, and then the vehicle started rolling into the grassy median. She sustained some serious injuries, and she's going to have some lifelong consequences, and as a result of that, the jury did award $3.5 million to her. There's a couple of quick takeaways that I think everybody should keep in mind. Number one, understand that if you are next to a tractor trailer and that tractor trailer is driving down the road next to you, that driver likely cannot see you. And so it's very important for you to either speed up or slow down. Get out of that lane, get out of the truck's blind spots, stay a safe distance, stay very far away because you don't want to be in one of these crashes. Second takeaway, if you're a truck driver, follow these rules. Make sure that you not only announce your intentions by turning the turn signal well in advance before initiating the turn, but use what is available to you to first check to see if there's another vehicle there. Here, the driver didn't really announce their intentions, and not only that, but there were clues available, including the fact that that right lane was all lit up, that there were other vehicles there, and so this driver should have been more careful, should have avoided this. I think a third takeaway is that many times in truck crashes, mild traumatic brain injuries or severe brain injuries can occur. But it's very important that if you have been involved in a crash, that you do get checked out medically. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and like this video, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.